The integration between Oracle BI Publisher and an Oracle database is a powerful combination for streamlined reporting and data-driven decision-making. Join us in this video where, using Bizdata's eZintegrations, we will integrate BI Publisher with Oracle database. In essence, this integration will empower organizations to efficiently generate insightful data, make informed decisions, ultimately enhancing operational efficiency. To begin, log into your eZintegrations account, click eZintegrations, and add a new integration bridge. First step is configuring data source. Before that, we will have a look at our data in the source. This is the data present in our data source, that Oracle BI Publisher. In data source, select source type as API. Choose data source as BI Publisher from the list and select the business object as report. Provide the authorization URL with ID. Enter header and body details. Test your API endpoint using the test button. The response from source can be seen here. The response is in XML format. Next, navigate to Operations to begin transforming, wrangling, and cleaning the data. We can see the list of all the operations by scrolling here. The first operation will be XML to JSON. Using it, we will convert the XML data received in response from source to JSON data. Under Get Key, we will pass the key name whose value we want to convert from XML to JSON. Here, the response from API is stored in key name Bizdata dataset response. Hence, we will pass this key here. In response key, we will pass the key name that will store the converted JSON value. Here, we are passing dataset response as our key. Using the data extractor operation, we will extract the details stored in response. We will pass the key named data response as it holds all the JSON data from previous operation. We will also pass other keys from response whose data we want to extract. Next, using substitute operation, we will substitute an existing value to a new value. Here, we are substituting 77U/ with no value. We will go to the response to see why this is done. In response, it can be seen that the key name report bytes is followed by 77U/ and the encoded response. Hence, we will substitute 77U/ and just keep the encoded response. Using base64 decoding operation, conversion or decoding of base64 encoded string to its original form will be done. The key, report bytes, is passed through this operation as it holds the encoded data in response. Now, using delimiter to JSON operation, delimited data will be converted to JSON format. In key data, report bytes key name is passed as it holds all the data from source. In delimiter, comma is passed as we have comma separated list of values. In response key, pass the key name which will hold the converted JSON data. Lastly, a tuple is created for all the columns to read data from single line using single line to tuple operation. We are using this operation to load data in bulk in database, so we are mapping the columns along with the comma separated values. In single line key, pass the key name that holds the converted JSON data, that is table data here. In table headers, pass all the column headers. In tuple key, pass the key name that will hold the tuple data. Informative and detailed documentation is present for each operation. Next step is to select target under data target. Before configuring data target, we will see how our table looks in Target. This is Oracle database showcasing the table with all the columns. In Target, select Database as target type, since our target is Oracle database. Enter target or database details as shown in video. In tuple key, pass the key name that holds the converted tuple data. Next, in the summary section, provide the name and description of the integration bridge. Under Schedule, we can schedule the frequency of integration or select interval as per requirement. Here, we are setting it to 120 seconds. Once everything is done, click on Submit. The integration bridge can be seen in the list. We can now proceed to run the integration bridge and check the results in live streaming logs, since the integration bridge is now built. Data can be seen coming to the target. Millions of records can be streamed after starting the integration service. With eZintegrations, get a seamless and faster integration experience.